In the heart of the 1960s, a groundbreaking idea was seeded in the minds of two visionaries named Sutherland and Jaron Lanier. This idea, though seemingly far-fetched, was the birth of a new era, the era of virtual reality, VR. Sutherland, a computer science pioneer, envisioned a world where humans could interact with computer-generated environments. His invention, the Sword of Damocles, was the first ever head-mounted display, paving the way for the immersive experiences we know today. Yet, it was Lanier who coined the term virtual reality in 1986, describing it as a simulated environment, in real time, in which one's senses are fooled into experiencing the artificial as if it were real. This definition encapsulated the essence of the dream that Sutherland had sown. In the following years, the technology evolved, with key contributions from researchers like Thomas A. Furness III, who developed the first flight simulator for the U.S. Air Force, and Palmer Luckey, the teenage prodigy who created the Oculus Rift, a consumer-grade VR headset that would revolutionize the gaming industry. The development of VR was not without its challenges. Constraints in computing power and limited understanding of human-computer interaction posed significant hurdles. Yet, each obstacle was a stepping stone, pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. The 1990s saw a surge in VR's popularity, with the launch of products like the Virtual Boy, the CyberMax, and the Virtual Reality Modeling Language, VRML. However, these early attempts at mass-market VR failed to capture the public's imagination, leaving the technology in a state of limbo. Fast forward to the 21st century, and VR has once again seized the limelight. With advancements in technology, VR is no longer just a dream, but a thriving reality. From gaming to education, healthcare to real estate, VR is transforming industries, offering immersive, interactive experiences that were only imaginable in the realm of science fiction. In the digital world, the dream of Sutherland and Lanier is becoming a tangible reality. As we stand on the threshold of a new age, we can only imagine what the future holds for virtual reality. But one thing is certain, this is just the beginning.